What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and true wireless earbuds have been getting better and better since the arrival of Apple's 2016 AirPods. In this hands-on review, we are checking out Sennheiser's latest offering to this product category, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. In the box, you're greeted with both earbuds and its very nice fabric carrying case. Under the case, you can find an instruction sheet, and under the foam that secures the buds and case, you can find another box that houses the other ear tips, as well as the manual in a variety of different languages. Now, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless comes with its very own companion app called Smart Control. In the app, once you've successfully paired up the buds with your device, you can tap on the image of the buds to see some quick reminders like the different ways you can tap the buds, since this is how you interact with them, and remembering all the different taps for each bud can be a little difficult at first. Although, when I did get used to which tap or double tap or even triple tap did what on both bud, I found myself feeling like the sensitivity could be better improved, as sometimes I find myself double tapping but only one tap is recognized. But that's okay because you do get used to it. The battery percentage is also indicated here. If you tap on the gear icon on the top right, you get to see the device settings. These include smart pause, auto accept calls, and even voice assistant access. Here, you can enable or disable options like Smart Pause, which allows the buds to automatically pause music once you take them out of your ears, Auto Accept Call, or even Voice Assistant access. Under the product name in the main menu, you can find your transparent hearing options. Sennheiser's transparent hearing feature allows the buds to use its microphones to better amplify the sound from your surroundings. It's kinda like Sony's ambient mode with its noise-canceling product line. Honestly though, it works best without any music playing in the background, which you do have the option to toggle if you like. If you do decide to keep the music playing with transparent hearing on, you might want to keep your music's volume to a max of 70%. Now, back to the app, the last thing you can fiddle with here is the equalizer found under transparent hearing. It's pretty self-explanatory, though the simple interface might throw you off at first. For the product itself, starting with the carrying case, again, the exterior is covered in this very classy fabric material which could get dirtied and worn depending on how you handle it. At the back, you can find a USB Type-C port for charging up the case and the buds if they're inside, as well as a button that when pressed, illuminates the LED indicator on the right of the port. The light changes from green to yellow to red depending on the case's battery percentage. Inside the case, you get some Sennheiser branding on the top lid and slots for the buds. The buds are kept secure inside with the help of magnetism. Like if I turned this case over and really tried to push them out with gravity, it's not gonna budge. So that's nice. One other thing about the case I do think you guys should know about is that when you have the buds inside and the carrying case runs out of battery to keep them charging, if your paired device's Bluetooth is left on, the buds will automatically connect to it as long as it's in range. The easy solution to this is to of course practice better battery saving habits in the first place, so turn that Bluetooth off when not in use. Now, for the buds themselves, right off the bat, I want to mention that I find these buds to be more on the bulky spectrum of true wireless earbuds, and as long as you do have the right tips for your ears, they won't fall off when shaking your head or going on a run. Because of the bulkier form factor though, I have experienced some fatigue from the buds when leaving them on for more than 4 hours. Then again, inside these buds are some wicked drivers, as the sound quality that comes from these Momentum TWs is amazing. At 70% volume is where I'd want to keep it for general listening, and any level succeeding is just when I want to drown out the world from my ears. So hey, maybe you're getting a sermon from your boss, your teacher, or your parents. Just pop these guys in and keep that hoodie on, man. For battery life, these buds are rated for 4 hours of continuous playback, and you get an extra 8 hours with the case, which translates to 2 extra charges when the case's battery is full. Now of course, before concluding any review, we have to consider the price. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless will set you back a pretty hefty 19,990 pesos. But there is a Lazada promo going on from July 30 to August 3 that strikes 2,000 pesos off the original SRP, making the buds cost 17,990 pesos. Now, some of you might think that 17,990 pesos might still be a lot to dish out for some true wireless earbuds. Although honestly, I must stress that what you are paying for here is that very full soundstage Sennheiser is known for. Now, what did you guys think of the Sennheiser Momentum TWs? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. or I mean push them out with gravity, it's not gonna budge. So that's nice.